If you were to leave us with 1 to 2 bits of advice, what would they be?
So, I guess don't assume that you are allergic to anything that you've not eaten. I need to put that out there.
Yeah.
It means when I eat it or breathe it in, there's a problem. Certainly the younger the baby, we need to be a bit more careful. A sleeping baby might be the only sign of an infection. One thing parents worry about, of course, are seizures. My child's having a seizure. I didn't even know he had a fever because
I really panicked.
this is a question that comes up all the time. And I've hopefully nailed my pattern.